I'm gonna give you a little short clip of what we're doing here. So this is the X pipe. Beautiful. I think it's stainless. Tacked everything up. Got the V-band clamps. That is the size comparison. These are the previous resonators. They're just straight through with I think fiberglass or steel wool. So the overall width is less and the length is less. So hopefully that toned it down just a hair. I just need some of that drone to be gone. It's almost redneck science. But we're gonna try this out. We're gonna see how it looks. Okay, got it done. Got it put up under there, and ugh, bam. I had to do a whole custom setup here. Gave myself, oh sorry about the camera, clearance there, clearance on my dampener. This can actually give me some more space if I need to, and it's about the same clearance all the way around. This exhaust system was in here pretty tight to begin with. I'm gonna put her down to give you some noise clips.